And we are underway here at the Fresno State Soccer Stadium, Central Valley Fuego in red and South Georgia Tormenta. It's the first game without Ryan Sarakowski. His contract just expired. He had a goal. And Keziah Sterling, he's been out since April. Here's a chance. Fuego in the box. Cerritos, nifty move with the left. Cerritos scores! Central Valley, their third goal of the season, and it came in the 8th minute. Cerritos all on his own, breaking ankles, and Hara off balance. Patience in the box, gained his composure around Akale and put it in. Akale give and go. Akale has a step, looking for a cross. Here it comes, back post, and it goes! Mitch North couldn't stop it. That's the equalizer. It was Arthur Bosua, his first game back from a torn ACL. It started with Akale. He gets his first assist of the year. Arthur Bosua, the header. And this is what Tormenta was missing, with Bosua on the shelf. Chance for Jaramillo. He's got space. Pass Kilwine. Here's a chip. There it goes, just wide. Cerritos missed it. Othoniel Jaramillo. He puts Fuego up 2-1. Corey in the corner, double team. Back to Akale. Through traffic. Here comes Akale on the cross, wide open. There's the chip, and Bosua, he had it saved. He had it stopped. There's the rebound and a score. Tobias Otieno, he cleans it up. And the equalizer in the 55th minute. Couldn't clear it off, the rebound. With the right foot, set the table. Saturday, July 1st at 11 Eastern on ESPN2. Akale with space. Here's Mukwelle with the left, it just misses. Mitch North, a sprawling save. Officially 4 minutes of stoppage time. Will it be enough for either side? Here's a chance, here's a shot, there's a score! Zahir Vasquez puts Central Valley on top 3-2. Stoppage time score, his first of the year. Here's how it went down. Vasquez left all alone, and Pablo Hara on an island. Fresh off the bench, Billy Forbes gets the assist. And then the defending champs came into Fresno. Central Valley got 3 goals. And they defeat Tormenta 3-2.